Imagine waking up to find your company's sensitive data exposed. It's not a question of if, but when it comes to breaches. Understanding this inevitability is the first step in preparing effectively. Data breaches aren't just digital. They can happen physically, like discarded medical records. Recognizing the various forms of breaches helps in crafting a comprehensive defense strategy. Data breaches extend beyond digital failures. Physical breaches, like misplaced documents or someone gaining physical access to a secure area, are equally damaging. Accidental breaches, such as sending sensitive data to the wrong person, are common pitfalls. Consider the case of a misplaced email leading to unauthorized data access. Simple user errors can result in significant breaches, emphasizing the need for vigilance. Phishing links often lead to ransomware attacks or unauthorized access. These external threats exploit vulnerabilities, causing severe data breaches. Internal breaches occur when employees access sensitive data out of curiosity, or a simple mistake made by emailing data to the wrong internal person, or even worse, a bad actor that has malicious intent. Such actions, though seemingly harmless, can have serious legal implications. Different data types have specific breach notification requirements. Understanding these legal obligations is crucial for compliance and avoiding penalties. State laws vary on breach notification thresholds. Some require reporting for as few as 100 records, making it essential to stay informed about local regulations. Cyber insurance is vital to cover potential breach costs. Developing a breach response plan minimizes damage and ensures a swift recovery. Arrakis Consulting can help you minimize your risk of data breaches. Arrakis offers numerous managed services that simply make having a breach more difficult, regardless of if it is accidental or intentional. Our risk and compliance assessments can help expose vulnerabilities that may indicate an easier pathway to an actual breach. While disaster recovery and business continuity generally focus on natural disasters or cyber attacks, our involvement may help uncover the potential for a breach, as well as help assess response from a cyber attack that resulted in a breach. Arrakis has decades of experience in cybersecurity and helping clients recover from and deal with breaches. Our simple involvement in the breach response process is a force multiplier for any company. Thanks for joining us on this video, and please reach out to sales@arrakisconsulting.com to schedule a time to discuss your company's needs.